That's a lot of cement. And this is the structure cement. You ready?
Hey.
Alright, let's go. So he wants to stay anonymous, but a good friend here locally donated 20 bags of structural cement. So we just picked that up. They're leaving without me, so I better hurry. We're gonna take it to Alex's house and start getting plans ready for the rebuild. Let's go. So Alex's road is still really bad. Well, he told me we could get through. The trees have been cleared. Kinda. Holy shit. Look at this.
No, look at that mango. That's huge.
They cut it so we could get through at least. Oh, it's gonna scratch the car. Oh.
No.
Luckily, the guy hauling the cement behind us is a lot smaller car. Ugh. Every power line is down. They're not gonna have power for months. Watch out the tree. Did you know we were bringing cement today, Alex?
No. Yeah.
We just need a dry spot because this is 20 bags, and I'm gonna go get at least 20 more today.
Maybe here first. Maybe
We're going to buy the
It's up to you, but we need maybe we could use this tarp.
Yeah.
For rain.
Maybe we can put that one somewhere to make it dry.
Is that house empty?
Yeah.
All right. So we definitely got a plan coming together, and I'm gonna share it with you guys a little bit later. And you can see how lucky they were. They were literally, the little kids' beds was right there, and the tree was right there. That little crappy hollow block wall saved them somehow from that huge branch. Finn delivered the steel roofing stuff yesterday. About 16. Pretty expensive. I'm glad your pigs are survived. And we're gonna use that for now to keep the rain out until we can build what we're gonna build. Hey, Shay! It's got a little generator so the community can come charge their phones. And the kids are sleeping in this spot right now. So this is the tree that partially fell down. Look at that. It's leaning over Alex's mom's house. We're so lucky. We gotta figure out who could cut that down safely, because that's the one that fell on his house. This is, I don't know how, man. I'm really scared. We'll definitely make them leave the area when we do it. So Alex, this is the wall. Basically saved the kids' lives. Somehow it stayed upright. But we're not gonna take that chance again. Like Brian Davies and everybody, they said, yeah, we could help, just throw some metal up and wait for the next storm. But what they really want to do is they want to turn this into like a safe house, or at least a safe room, or extension. So not just you, but you're like the pillar of the community. People could come, other families could come here. So we got to reinforce. We might tear down the wall or reinforce it. The architect Mark was here yesterday, right? But otherwise, either way, we'll figure it out. It's gonna be good. Make this place safe. Because there's a lot of storms. There's like 20 typhoons a year in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So you're getting the tree removed and everything, but the chainsaw died?
Yeah, the chainsaw died. So we had to go back to the manual one. Axe and then
Manual one.
Polo. Yeah.
So if anybody watching this is in Dauin, Dumaguete, want to loan us a chainsaw that's not electric, a gas chainsaw, because there's no power, then let us know, because that little bit of help can help us clear a lot of this stuff so we can start building. So Alex doesn't have to be on the bolo all day. All right, the first batch of cement is sorted, and we're gonna cover it so it doesn't get rained on, and we're gonna cover the roof temporarily so the rain doesn't get inside. But there's a whole bunch of people looking at me, so I'm gonna give you the plan. I'm gonna get in the car and give you the plans later. All right, now we're alone, so we got some good plans now. I think we got a game plan. Basically, this started because, as you know, in my last video, I started collecting money to fix Alex's house, maybe the rest of the village, and the response was so good. But one guy, Brian Davies, he said, you know, I don't mind helping, and you know, I just don't want to throw up another junky roof that's just gonna fly away in the next storm. So I was like, yeah, I mean, that's a good point. So his idea is to kind of like a safe house, reinforce Alex's whole house, make extensions and everything, and turn it into basically a super safe house for his family. And since that's the kind of the center of the village where everybody goes when they need to borrow rice, they just go there as like a community center spot. Other families, not just Alex's, it'll be big enough and strong enough, other families will be able to go there during storms and stuff. So I thought that was a great idea. So you guys started sending in your donations. It's been amazing. I had the architect look yesterday. What we got to do is, it going to be cheaper to tear down the whole house and build it, because it doesn't even have a foundation. It's just, you know, you saw. But we got a good game plan now. We're going to make extension on the side of the house where the tree is right now, where we're going to cut it out, get rid of it. And then we're going to make it bomb proof, man. We're going to make it 6-inch foundation, concrete, steel reinforced walls, steel trusses instead of the little bamboo things that we got now. And then I'm not sure exactly what type of roof, but it's gonna be the strongest house in the village that everybody could go to during a storm like this again. We're also going to cut down the trees in the area so that nothing falls. But I mean, Philippines has 20 typhoons a year, and it's just, we got to help these guys out. It's our community. You know, I don't care how much I get trolled. I know I'm a foreigner in the Philippines. Call it what you want to call it, but this is my community. These guys take care of us, me and Finn and my wife, and now it's our turn to take care of them. It's not rocket science, man. We stick together. These are my family now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's our... Alex does everything for us. That village is like family. So thank you guys so much for donating. And once again, this isn't cheap, but it's not a temporary solution. We can save lives. Like I showed you in my last video, his 3 kids were saved by inches. I still don't know how they survived, but anyway, it's not gonna happen again. So other kids did die in our neighborhood. Trees fell on them, right? So it's not gonna happen again. I'm gonna leave my PayPal down in the description below. But email me if you don't have PayPal and you want to help. If you're local, we definitely need a chainsaw. We need other building supplies if you want to help do that. Somebody just gave us the 20 bags of cement. We got a lot coming. Good things are happening for this village. So thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow on another update.